Thinking about buying a dump trailer for your landscaping or maintenance work? If you're juggling small to medium landscape installs and hauling debris, a dump trailer can seriously save your back and keep your job sites looking sharp. Instead of piling trash in a corner and stressing over multiple trips to the landfill, just load it all into the trailer and haul it off in one go. Plus, having a clean, tidy site looks way more professional to clients. Imagine the difference that makes when they see you treating their property with respect. You can even slap your business logo on the side and turn that trailer into mobile advertising while you work. If you're worried about towing capacity, like with a smaller truck, such as a 2005 Tundra V6, stick to hauling mulch, green waste, and lighter materials to avoid overworking your vehicle. Dump trailers come in all sizes, so a 5x10 foot model with a 7,000-pound gross vehicle weight rating could be perfect for tight access areas or narrow streets where bigger rigs just don't fit. And don't sweat the price tag too much. Compared to a full dump truck, a used dump trailer around $6,500 is a smart investment that helps you avoid expensive dumpster rentals, which can cost around $400 for just 1 week. Just remember, keep your loads within limits and plan ahead, so you're not juggling extra trips or dealing with hassles at the landfill. One of the biggest mistakes people make when buying dump trailers is going too big for their truck's towing capacity. It's tempting to get a heavy-duty trailer, but if your truck can't handle it safely, you'll risk damage and costly repairs. Fix this by matching trailer size exactly to your vehicle specs and hauling only what your rig can manage comfortably. Another common issue is underestimating the total cost of ownership, including maintenance, insurance, and disposal fees. Dump trailers aren't just about the purchase price. To avoid surprises, budget for all these ongoing expenses upfront and compare them with dumpster rental costs in your area. Lastly, people often forget about local regulations and landfill rules for dumping loads. Some places have strict disposal fees or limits on certain materials. Make sure you check all local laws so you don't get hit with fines or extra charges. Knowing where and how to dump saves time and money in the long run. BigHomeProjects.com is a great resource if you're trying to find trustworthy local contractors for your home or landscaping projects. It also helps contractors connect with clients who need their services, making it easier for both sides to get things done right without the usual headaches.